To create a GL English Reading Practice Assessment, start by answering a few short questions. Your curriculum and year group will automatically be filled in based on your account settings. Next, enter how many reading comprehensions you'd like to generate, followed by the length of each comprehension. Then, select the type of reading text and the type of reading questions you want your students to focus on. After that, specify how many questions you'd like to create for each comprehension. When you're ready, click Generate. This tool may take around 2 to 3 minutes to produce a full comprehension passage with questions. Once your assessment is ready, take a moment to review the text and all questions carefully, including the multiple choice options. Because AI can make mistakes, it's important to check the content before using it with students. An answer key will also be provided to make marking and feedback quick and easy. When you're satisfied with your assessment, export it in your preferred document format. And don't forget to explore our other GL assessment tools designed to help your students achieve the best results possible.